Welcome back to the Novice Guide to iTunes series. If you want to find some new music, movies, or TV shows to download but don't want to pay, then you'll be happy to know that iTunes also has a free section. It's a bit tricky to find unless you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page. This box displays free items on iTunes. Click on it. This shows that there are 2 pages of free items you can download. You can sort by featured, name, or release date. Once you've found something you like, click on the title to see more information. In a lot of cases with movies, it's actually just a clip, so don't get too excited until you see the total running time. If you decide you want to download, make sure you see free first, and then get movie. The free items on iTunes change, so check back to see if there's something new that you wanted but now don't have to pay for. Remember, there are 10 parts to this series, so don't forget to check out the other episodes in the Novice Guide to iTunes series.